really, I GCSE. Okay. Year 11. Yeah, they went well because we've got a new curriculum. So you start a 2-year course in year 9, finish them at the end of year 10, so that's 3 GCSEs that way. What did you do? History, geography, catering.
A lot of trees. No, I'm not. I'm not. I can't open the door, I'm that close to the edge. All you needed to do was just slow down to where it's wider there. I can see.
1, 2, 3, 4. Full forward.
Can't move. Expecting me to reverse to.
Just have a look outside if you pull forward, that's
I
right.
am not pulling forward because I'm up against the bushes. This has got paint on it. It's not a wagon.
This has got paint on.
Right. All you have to do was slow down and
Why
let me
did you
come.
stop at fucking bridge?
Because there's not room. There's room back there.
There's loads of room.
No, there's not.
I can tell you what you are.
You can watch me as much as you want. I won't be moving. As soon as I stopped, I lost all judgment of how big I am, right? You can call me all names under the sun, I won't be moving. Sorry.
Alright. Well done.
I'll move it through if it carries on.
Well done.
I'm not putting any scratches on this for you.
Excuse me, will you let me out so I can have a word with you?
I can't open the door, that's the problem.
Yes.
I'm actually right up against the edge. The door won't open, the door opens out.
Did I shout out your window then?
You can't if you want.
There's children on this coach! Move back now! There's children on this coach! Move back! There's 2 men in there! There's a coach load of children! Move back! Move back! Because I tell you now, I'll get out and I'll move your van back! Move! Move your van! Stop being an idiot! You are a grown man! This van is full of a coach load of children! Grow up! Grow up! Because it can't, because you're sticking your front end out! Do you need to go back and learn how to drive? Do you need to learn to drive? Well, I tell you what, I'll get out and I'll drive your van. Now grow up. Grow up and move your car. Move your car. Can I get out of your car?
I'll ring the police on him, it's fine. We'll ring the police and they'll sort you out, you stupid idiot.
Thank you.
What's this one now? I'll turn my lights out because you'll probably see better. In fact, I'll probably get past you there. That's as far as I can go. Sorry. I apologise for the entertainment, everybody. That doesn't normally happen.